Right then guys, so just before we get into this video, one of the guys who I met at the car show, he has his own website. So why don't you guys head over to streetside.nz. They do loads of stuff. They do stickers, keychains, even coilovers and like ECUs and everything. So go give them a check out, and if you want to buy anything, they ship worldwide. It's not free shipping, as it is quite expensive, like taxes and stuff to ship out of New Zealand and into New Zealand. So that's the only downside, but they're really cool products, so definitely go and check them out and enjoy.
Settling down, my text go to screen. You know better than that. I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when your glass is empty. You thinking that the song's coming on and text me. I need to be alone like the way you left me.
What is up guys, to another video, and today is a sick one. We're down at Hampton Downs once again, pretty much my second home, and it is Mad Mike's Big Summer Bash. Just gonna turn the camera around and hopefully he drifts. Oh no, where is he maybe? No, he's not drifting, but I think that car's got an RB30 in it. It just sounds mint, but it's pretty cool. So let's head on in and well, here we go. Just sending it, but yeah, let's go in and have a fun one. Hopefully you can hear me. I've signed up to a passenger ride, so it's free, and basically if no one's got anyone in a passenger seat, I'm going to ask to get in. So let's see how that goes.
There's only us, there's only us. When I take so long, I'll be there to take control, take control, take control, take control, take control, take control. I'll be there, 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 I'll be there to take control.
hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's pretty cool going out in a Silvia. It's pretty cool. I didn't get to go any others because they both of them actually broke. So Silvia life. So yeah, if you guys, it's a pretty nasty RX-7 rotary. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you have made it to this end. Hopefully you should have. Yeah, go down, subscribe, turn notifications on, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Models popping bottles.